Welcome to paradise. Own this impressive 2017-built 3-bedroom, 2-bath, saltwater pool home in the desirable and centrally located North Naples Community, Tuscany Pointe. Stunning single-story open floor plan with neutral decor and lavish upgrades. Expanded Paver driveway, patio and lanai is A+. Gourmet kitchen with upgraded quartz countertops, white shaker cabinets, backsplash and stainless steel appliances is a chef's dream. Beautiful tile floors throughout, laundry room with sink and cabinets, freshly painted, custom mini-office off master suite, tons of closets and storage. Enjoy the outdoors in privacy in your own heated saltwater pool with a cascading natural stone waterfall, lanai lighting and luscious landscape is just a few of the highly desired features that buyers seek. Situated off Collier Boulevard, this home is located in A-rated school district, surrounded by multiple shopping centers, with dining, entertainment, Publix and the new Founders Square Plaza.